Hello and welcome to At Home with Anita Rosner. If you're looking for an inexpensive yet thoughtful gift to give to the person in your life who loves to cook, this couldn't be simpler and it will cost you next to nothing. All you need is some olive oil, an orange, a lemon, and a saucepan. That's it. Oh, and a sterilized bottle. Shall we begin? I have 1 3/4 cups of olive oil. Any kind will do. And I'm just going to put in some of the peel of this orange. And you want to kind of go shallow and avoid as much pith as possible. You know, pith is the white stuff inside. Yeah, that looks pretty good. We'll just drop that in. We'll do the same with the lemon. And now we're going to put this on the stove and simmer it for 20 to 30 minutes. That's it. I just took the oil off the heat, and as you can see, the rinds are bubbling. That means they're releasing their oils and infusing their flavor into the olive oil. Now that the oil is cooled, we're just going to remove the peel. And put it in our bottle. And that's all there is to making a citrus-infused olive oil. This goes great with seafood, it's delicious on a salad, and while you're whipping one up as a gift, why don't you make one for yourself? Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.